So we're in St Hilary's Church, Llanelith. First church on site was thought to be wooden, dating back to the 5th century. However, the first written recorded of the church was in the 9th, 10th century, which is in the Black Book of Carmarthen. The church we're standing in now was built 1213. It was open until 1957, where it was closed due to open cast mining in the area. It then reopened in 1964, but it became too dilapidated and too unsafe to reopen fully and was closed. Sadly, it was sold on to private ownership, and the private owner didn't do much to it. He just left the building in disrepair. In 1984, Blaenau Gwent Council took over and they reclaimed it, redone all the roofs because the roof all collapsed in, the lovely arched roof you can see above here. The arch back there leads into the original part of the church, which dates back to 1213. Coming in then, this was built just before Victorian times, and the tower outside was built during Victorian times. In the tower itself, you'll see slabs of stone with grooves running through them. It's believed that the stone came from the castle, which is in the field just north to St Hilary's Church, which was excavated in 1920 by Thomas Lewis. The font behind us dates back to the 9th or 10th century. In 1872, it was recorded as being at the front of the church, and in 1980s, it was placed outside the church, being recorded as placed outside. It's been sort of restored sympathetically, and it's been placed in the corner for people to come and see. During the summer, the church is open every Sunday afternoon, and it's kept up to a very high standard by the Friends of St Hilary's. It's a wonderful church for visitors to come and see, and in the summertime it's worth coming just to have a tour of the graveyard, full of wildflowers, wildlife, and there's quite some interesting stories, some really interesting stories of the graves. So it's one of the oldest churches still standing in Blaenau Gwent. It's very, very unique to Wales, and I would highly recommend a visit during the summer.